Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. I'm here with this denim and foil again. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals. We're going to put some foil or denim using one of my stencils from my 3 stencil set. So come on, check it out. First, we're going to lay the stencil onto the denim. I'm going to tape it down so it doesn't move. I'm using Liquitex thick gel. You can use this or the gel for foiling. So I'm just going to spread it on the stencil. Once I get it on the whole stencil, I'm going to let it dry, and then the magic will begin. Remove the stencil and let it dry. When it's clear, it's dry. Lay the foil on. Try to cover up your whole piece because the gel is basically a glue. So anything is going to stick to whatever it's covering. I'm going to fold a sheet of paper to put it at the beginning of my material. This is going to help it go through the machine without getting stuck because we have, 2 different pieces of material. I put my Mint machine on heat level 3, and then I slide my material in. I let it cool off, and then I remove my materials. My paper got stuck because it got stuck to the glue that my foil was not covering. That's what happened again in the split part, but it's all good. Here comes the magic. Oh, I'm tearing it. I don't want to tear it because I can reuse this piece of foil for another design. But, oh, look at that. Is it not beautiful? I am just loving this. Oh my goodness. I love it. No matter what you do with this, it's going to look fabulous and glamorous. That's why I call it glam. I'm going to attach my glammed up denim to some wood and cut it in my Glowforge. Going to make some necklace shapes and some earrings.
Is there any light you can shed on that?
I do not, and it would be
I'm going to make some pendants and some earrings, and I have one of my pendant trays and the glass that goes over it, but I'm going to show you how I use them separately. You're supposed to use them together, but I use them separately to stretch my materials. These pendant trays come in sets of 15 trays and 15 pieces of glass, but I use them separately so I can get 30 necklaces instead of 15. So that's, you see, I put it over my material without the tray, and then I can put a separate piece of material in the tray. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, a comment. I love this stuff. And in my next video, I'm going to show you what I do with this paper. So be on the lookout for it. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.